Hey, XRP family, how you doing? We're going to talk about why XRP is down just a little bit here, 2+%. But we're really going to talk about XRP, crypto market being down, why it's down, XRP dropping just barely below $3. I realize this is not a cry for, hey, there's bad things happening right now. Just again, want to have more of a discussion with you around, could we see XRP fall a little bit in the remainder of September before we really roll up into October? That's part of the main discussion. So again, we'll maybe even do an XRP price prediction. We got a lot of stuff to cover here. So do two things for me. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would appreciate it. Okay, so as I mentioned, we got XRP down 299, down 2.8%. But again, the overall market has been down all day today on Friday, September 19th. It has pared back some of those losses. It's been down as much as about 2.5+%. So it has come back a little bit. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, both down 1.5%, 3% respectively. All major altcoins are pretty much down here across the board. You can see that Solana's down, Dogecoin's down, Tron, Cardano 2% and 4% respectively, Chainlink down 5%. Pretty much a market correction playing out here. Kind of like, why is the market down? Why is the market moving down? Altcoin corrections is really the one I want to focus on. Top trending tokens have fallen between 9 and 31% plus. You got altcoin, and inside of that, you've got altcoin profit taking. Okay, so you've got 5 of the 6 top trending coins have fallen sharply, and just again, I think some profit taking here. And we had the run up to the Federal Reserve decision. We got the decision. And then we've kind of fallen back off of that. We've got a little bit of a delayed sell the news kind of event here. The news being the Federal Reserve lowering the rate. Again, nothing really major catastrophic here playing out, but I just wanted to have kind of this dialogue with you to kind of say, hey, this is kind of where we're at. So let's talk real quickly about what do we see playing out in the remainder of September. Well, look, I think in the remainder of September, I think we're going to continue to probably see a little bit of this volatility, maybe give up, 1 or 2 points in a given day. The next day or the next couple of days, we might get some of those back. Again, just kind of choppy volatility. Really, the main reason being is that we've got to get through September to get into that fourth quarter. Now, does that mean that October 1, everything's going to magically turn around? No, that's just not how crypto works. But we get into the fourth quarter, October, November, December. Those are the 3 months that we've all been kind of, well, let's call it what it is. We've been looking forward to get into and to ultimately, start to see this thing turn around and dramatically turn around and see it, hit dramatic. So, Bitcoin to 150 to 200,000, Ethereum back up over, past its all-time high, but again, going back, maybe doubling, going to 8,000, XRP, $10, $15, $20. We've talked about all this, so if we look at what XRP has done, I mean, really, again, we've talked about this, but just to kind of put this in perspective, XRP has been in a sideways consolidation pattern in this blue box right here for 60 days and 12 hours. Literally, we've been going sideways like this for 60 days. You can see the choppy volatility right here. You see playing out just straight up. Okay. By the way, if you're looking for a way to make even more money trading crypto, this is my trading indicator. It's literally about $1.15 a day. So give it a look. It can help you know when to buy and sell. You can see it's even giving buy and sell alerts. You can make 5, 10, 15, 20% on every time one of these dips. So the link's in the description below if you want to try that out. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. There's a discount code down there for you, all that kind of stuff. So give that a look. Okay. So where does this leave us? It leaves us in September. The remainder of September, I think we're going to see choppy. That's it. A little bit up, a little bit down. But the net effect is something similar to kind of what we see in the XRP chart. Really, the net effect is this period right here where we see this again. We see that chop, right? We see that consolidating, trading within a channel, trading within a range scenario, and I think that is what we're going to see the entire market do. I think that's what we're going to continue to see XRP do. Until we get out of September, until we start to get into October, November, we start to have some wins behind us, pushing us. We got liquidity flowing back in, all that kind of stuff. So I think that's really what I want you to walk away from the video with is that, yeah, it's going to be a little bit more of the same for the short term. But once we get out of this, I think we're going to look good. Okay. So before I let you go, links in the description below to something brand new I launched this week. It's called Inner Circle. It's literally 90 cents a day. there's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Here's what you get. So there's a link in the description below to Inner Circle. There's a link also below this video if you're watching this on X. This is a membership, private membership, where you can get access to my full portfolio. You can see exactly what I own, the cryptos I own, the sectors they're in. You get buy and sell alerts. These are buy and sell alerts when I buy or I sell any crypto, anything out of my portfolio, or when I add to that. In fact, I just dropped a buy alert just the other day to my existing members. I have an AI engine that will also every week give you 1 to 2 crypto picks that are AI generated by my AI platform. So that's part of it. Every single week, you're going to get those. You're also going to get every week prime value crypto picks. These are different than the AI. The prime value are undervalued or oversold cryptos that are looking like they could be potential to break out. You're also going to be part of an investing community. This is a private community. I'm in there. My team's in there, all that kind of stuff. So you get all of that with by the way, a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. Okay. For about 90 cents a day. That's $27 a month. Okay. Quarterly option is the cheapest. And here's what I'm going to tell you. I am going to be raising the price. This is the lowest price it will ever be. And I'm going to be doubling the price in the very near future. So if this is something you want to check out, check it out. Remember, you got 30 days, right? 30 days to look at it. And if you don't like it, then you get a refund, but at least try it out. Can I cancel it any time? Absolutely. You can cancel it anytime. Is there a money back guarantee? You bet. I just told you about it. Is this for beginners? Maybe intermediate, advanced. It's for everybody. So depending upon where you're at on that spectrum, if you want to see what I buy and sell, if you want to get those AI crypto picks, or you want to get the prime value crypto picks, or you want to be part of a community, all of that, and get some support and get some help and no longer be alone in your crypto journey, that's what you can get with this. Okay. And again, for about 90 cents a day, you spend more than that on a pack of gum. I bought a pack of gum the other day and it was $1.47. So I'm asking you for 90 cents, 27 bucks. It's not bad. And by the way, the price is going to go up. So I can't keep it that low forever. So if that's something of interest to you, links are right down there. Go get it. See ya. Bye.